have a little tick chaser. You can see we got the new chicken run up. So, and I just let my old girl out because she sticks around. But yeah, looks much better than that temporary one we had. Come on, Red. Let's go check out the garden. Let's go. Everything is a little overgrown, but doing pretty good. So let me do a quick tour for you. This bed has some parsley, and this is some Shasta daisy. And then I put in some green onions, oregano. I've got some basil back here. My tomatoes have been getting eaten alive by hornworms. I cannot keep them under control. So if you guys have any tips, let me know. I literally just pruned the heck out of this because they've taken it to town. So I even put 2 new ones in here, some of my sun sugars, which are my favorite tomato, and they're in them. So let me see, are you in this leaf? Why are you curled shut? There's something webby in there. But anyways, I've planted some Swiss chard, which are somewhat little coming up. And then I just planted some marigolds in here today. So very excited about that. I have my loquat tree, which is doing fantastic. It's got so many buds on them and they're starting to bloom. They're gonna be so pretty. Let's see, my zinnias are so beautiful. Look at those. They're happy. Marigolds are doing fantastic. Look how high these are. These are probably like 3 feet high, guys. Unreal. They're super happy. This one is another zinnia. It's like 4 foot high. So crazy. Watermelon. This is a sugar baby. Oh, this is a Cubanelle. I don't remember what. This is probably a sugar baby watermelon. I don't think I have too many other watermelons. I think I have that orange one from Baker Creek. I can't remember the name. I'll put it up on the screen. But we've got some more tomatoes in here. Everglades. It's doing pretty good. I've been pulling some off of here, but I still am having hornworm damage. Nothing like on the other ones, but not good either. So my zinnias in here and melons are done. So I'm probably going to plant some cauliflower in there. And then basil. I've got this beautiful October Glory maple tree. I just got 2 of them. I got one over here and one there. And they're doing pretty good. I'm very excited for some fall foliage. I love fall. So it's my favorite. October, oh, just don't even. I love October so much. So more zinnias, more zinnias, more marigolds. And then we have some more tomatoes. These aren't getting as much hornworm damage. These are some Everglades here. And then I have some eggplants that are getting pretty tall, but not producing anything. You can see my gourd. This is that Thai bottle gourd from Baker Creek with some beautiful coleus that I got from a local nursery in St. Pete and brought up here, and they are happy even though they're tucked in, hidden in there. But I've got a ton of buds on them, so I'm really hoping that we get something soon. Oh, look at that, there's a female fruit. So hopefully that got pollinated, because I would love a beautiful gourd for the fall. And then my peach tree is doing pretty good. I've just planted some baby carrots. They are finally starting to come up. And then I haven't put anything back there yet. I still got to think on exactly what I want. So we'll see. But you can see my pumpkin vine. It's gone completely out of control. It's like all the way over there. Just to show you guys how big these leaves are. I mean, look at my hand and those leaves. they're out of control. Got some buds on them, so hopefully I'll be getting some pumpkins, I'm hoping. And then my corn is not doing great. My sprinkler timers, I don't know if you guys have the same issue, but I buy those constantly and they seem to last like a few months and then they just start pittering out. And so the sprinkler timer wouldn't shut off. It was staying on 24/7. Oh wow, look at this. Sorry. Look at this female ear corn. Finally got one. But anyways, my sprinkler timer, they just pitter out. They have like coils or something in them, or I don't know. They don't seem to last very long, and they're so expensive. So here's another female one, but this one kind of died. But what I was getting at with my sprinkler is I tried to put a different timer on there. That one didn't take. So my sprinklers have not been very consistent. So you can see this with the corn. It's not super happy, even though I do have some tassels. And I've got a cob right there, which I'm really excited about. So we'll see. Like I said, this year is all new. It's a brand new garden. Just seeing what'll work, what won't, and just kind of going from there. You can see my beautiful coleus back here, and then the Thai gourd. This is all cucumber, but I've got like 3 different cucumber plants here. And oh my goodness, you've got to be kidding me. Look at these. I didn't even see these. Oh my gosh, these are way too big. Oh my gosh. So those are probably super woody, but I'm gonna pick these. That's insane. Looks like pests have already gotten to them, which is fine. But the vines are definitely pittering out. My squash definitely didn't do anything here. It was doing really, really well. It was thriving. And then I had 3 squash plants and they've just not done well. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, I gotta get my clippers. Hang on. Oh, there's that skink. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. I cannot believe I've got these. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed here. It's probably not gonna work. Let me clip these. So here they are. They're all rotten, but they won't go to waste. I'll give them to the chickens. They'll still enjoy them. But I cannot believe I missed those. That is insane. But yeah, the vine's definitely not doing great. It's kind of pittering out on me. So I may plant a couple more seeds before we take off for home tomorrow, but and kind of, you know, have some other ones die off. But yeah, other than that, I brought up a couple more planters. I'm going to put some stuff in, and then I did plant some potatoes in here with the corn. I had some in the house and they were starting to sprout, so I put them in there. They're red potatoes. And then I have some that I've grown in the greenhouse that I am going to be putting in the garden as well once they start sprouting a bit more. So that'll be pretty exciting. I'm excited about that. They're my own homegrown potatoes that were just really tiny. They didn't produce great, but I'm gonna try to replant them and see if I can't revamp them a little bit. And I need to search in this vine a little bit more to see if I have a gourd, because that was such a surprise to me. But yeah, so this is how the garden is looking right now. Definitely feeling some pest pressure, but you know, just kind of dealing with it. I haven't done anything for sprays or anything yet. I'm just kind of letting the garden be and do what it wants to do right now and kind of figure things out for this season next year. I am getting ready to start planting a bit more fall crops. I'm gonna just start doing some cauliflower and Like I said, potatoes. I'll probably plant some onions. Maybe I'll plant onions in the back of that bed with the carrots. So we'll see. But anyways, I got my greenhouse a little bit more organized, and I'm pretty happy with everything right now. So I will keep you guys posted. And then once we get mowed, I can do like a full garden tour about front and everything like that. But for right now, this is just the vegetable garden. And I really appreciate you guys coming along. And I hope everybody is doing fantastic. And we'll see you in the next one.